Hey guys, welcome back to an all new video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what my home looked like after I first purchased it versus what it looks like now. If it's your first time here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If it's not your first time here, welcome back and thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. So as you guys can see, this is what the home looked like, what the house looked like. Now it's my home. When I first purchased it, very cozy, very clean. The people who own this home, even though it's an older home, they love their home, and so do I. Now it's my home and I love it. It's very cozy, it's very clean, it's very welcoming, it's very warm. The moment I turned into this driveway, I knew this was the home, or this was the house. I've seen a lot of houses and I love it. It's everything that I'm looking for. This house wasn't everything I'm looking for, but I'm going to turn it into what I want or what I need. A lot of houses, everything that I'm looking for, but just not, you don't get that feeling. If if you're new here and you bought your house, you know what I mean. It's like when you meet that person, you know it's the right person. Just the same thing with the homes. You'll know when you come across the home when it's the right home. So if you're out there looking for a home and you feel like you can't find one, don't give up. Don't get frustrated. We all know what it is like. This is not my first rodeo and I know what it is like, but just stay calm, be of good faith, don't give up, and have hope, and you'll find the right one, okay? So anywho's, this is what it looks like, and these people are very clean, okay? The house was already clean before they moved out, and they moved everything out, and then they gave it another clean. I did not do anything in this home, okay? This is my final walkthrough, and I'm going through, and everything looks absolutely clean, smell good, shiny, and everything. So it took me a whole 2 years before I somewhat got the house to where I want it. Now remember, I'm doing all this by myself. So don't rush, you'll get there, okay? You'll get there, okay? Take your time, and little by little, one day at a time, you'll get there. I have a whole thing of how I took this wall out, but I don't have that video. I didn't post a lot of YouTube video while I was doing the demolition of this house, but I do have a lot of video on my social media, like my Instagram, my TikTok, Facebook. If you want to see how I do so, the link to my social media is in my description box below. You can go ahead and check out my other social media page. This home was a birthday gift 2 years ago I bought for myself, and my birthday was October 20th. I closed October 31st. So believe it or not, they said time fly when you're having fun. It's gonna be 2 years coming this October 31st since I purchased this home. I'll just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. if you guys are still here with me, that means you enjoy what you see here and you're the real deal, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell on, therefore you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please go ahead and share this video out to your friends and family, this way they won't miss out. Now remember, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.